Hi! May ice cream kami. Auntie. We're going to the airport. Cruise pala. Magka-cruise kami today. Pero nasa sasakyan pa. Charot.
Uncle, aunties. Today got new terminal some more, you know. New, I mean the cruise center after the renovation. It looks nice, you know. Today.
Nag-white na ko na naman te. Nag-white.
Oh, it's one orange color.
Orangey.
Yes. And then you didn't bring a pouch. You bring. I've been encouraging her to buy all the orange things. Whenever got orange things, I tell her to buy.
Aja ini makin kita jauh loh.
Yeah, this is a part of it, right? All this up here, we call the MRT, Marina South Pier.
There, can see the head already.
Yes. Oh, monster. Correct, the monster is there. So huge. I always block by the trees. I go back. I didn't. Yeah, that's not nice lah. Block here, block there. Even in Penang also cannot take proper photos.
Oh, there the North Star.
Yeah.
Ibok Island North Star. Island? Okay.
Wow. Wow, yeah, now it looks nicer, you know. This cruise center, you see, now the board all they remove already.
Oh yeah, you see?
Yeah, they go remove all the manual buses, the bus bay here. Yeah, not really nice, you know.
Hanggang siya yung ulo nanti ko nakita.
MBCCS.
Ayun.
MBCCS.
Okay.
Is it no different already?
Yes.
Drop off is up there. No, last time we got that. To us. Now it's small buses. Yeah, I think so. I think this is a new.
You separate it. It will be easy to put it around your neck like this. Then you attach the two sides. You take the belt and it need to go around your waist. You need to go around your waist. Then you close it.
Okay, we're rich. There, 120, 122. Yahoo! Choo choo!
Oh, show your excitement. Your excitement.
Choo choo!
Welcome, we can see.
4
Ayan,
days.
9.
4 days. She
Sis,
next
Ali.
Your first trip. I think you're quite
First trip.
excited.
First trip.
Going after this water.
Charan!
Okay, this is our ovation of the sea.
Oh, see? Eh, 185. Okay, book. Open.
Backpack never buy orange color. Huh?
Don't have yet.
Hello. Yeah.
Okay.
The car, this backpack now.
Alright.
Hey, you same color as us.
Yeah.
You lucky, no. Hey, last time they different color, you know. Alan.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Wow. Because your name is Vin, huh?
Yeah.
Nhiều快点去叫。
Ha? Doon, no? Dito. Ano gusto mo yan? Meat. Yes. Okay, anak. Parang nagadumadinala na ni Wilson. Igala ng tataytan. Diyan ni pansit. O, di ba? Gala ko. Oh. Oo, mga laka. Oh, sige, tabidyoan ka no. Mabisit ni Pilay. Oo. Oh, sige, go. Dami, guys. Tiba-tiba ni Allen, oh. There pa. Ha?
Guys, I need more fish.
Ayan, mga beef, French, to, cauliflower. Ha? Beef. Dalian mo. Mabisin ako. Mabisin ako. Balik ka na lang.
Galakati putas.
Agibaw di ading ko, apo. Ito. Nasaan ka na? Eh? Bigla mo na tagpo ka, won. Ante, doon, no? May cheese doon. Yung salami kakasyay. Ito, oh. Tuna. Ito.
Ay, oo.
Oh, sige na, go na. Oh, plato. Ito ni. Iganak nga eh. Dito. Ayaw. Ayan. Paborito na ka na jay cheese, guys. Nala na amin. Nawanan.
Ang hindi babas.
Awan na dyan eh. Cheese din nga to. Cheddar. Monterey Jack. Oo. Okay na.
Ang hindi na pang-hit.
Dyan yun. Ay, wansa.
Ito ni. Ay, meat to.
Meat yan. Sliced turkey. Gouda. Wala silang provolone cheese. Okay na. Puro cheese matati, guys. Babalik na lang tayo sa prutasan. Ito naman yung mga prutas, guys. Hindi pa namin masorsor lahat. Mamaya na, babalik na lang tayo. Ayan. Babalik na lang tayo.
Ay, sarada ko na.
Watermelon. Okay. Kape. Hindi ka muna nagalan eh. Meron na dun. Mga ka lang kutsara. Garon. Meron na dun. Naglang na auntie ni wala na. Meron na dun. Dalawa lang. Meron nga doon. Meron. Kutsara lang alam. Dalawa lang. Okay. Yan. Dami pa mga niyo. Kakain muna kami. Ito lang na yung likod. Sige, alam ko yung kulog. Barko ko na namot. Yan, Sky Bar. Ay! Kalat ice cream. Hi! Ice cream.
Can
Need
you please
chocolate?
wanna try one? Mix. One mix and one chocolate. One mix.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
For me, one vanilla. And one vanilla, please. Thank you.
Wala siyang coat.
Wala. Okay. Thank you so much. Ante. Hello.
Ito guys, libre lang.
Hi.
Puso. Ayan yung patin eh.
May ice cream kami. Ice cream. Ayun. Yan yung swimming pool. Dito yung sa harap na niya. Hey, this is the front one, you know? Front. Yeah. We can sit down there. In front. Yung front niya. Yun, oh, view deck. Yun.
Everybody sing. Hey. I want you to sing. Here we go. Hey. Shake your head. Now shimmy. Do it one more time. Shake your head. Now turn. Shimmy.
The shopping open already. Just now the shopping open. Then all
Punta tayo sa Bionic Bar.
Bali bar, that one for Bali. That's the two unless people order drinks, then they will do. Like yes, yeah. At night English people order drinks. This one Bali bar.
Sarapski. Hindi ka matinig pili-pili dyan. Hello.
Where to go? Because I only said that they go to Pomta. I go to the Bangkok State. Now they go.
Ito ang kwarto namin, guys. Hi! Ayun si Auntie. Dito kami mag-sleep for 4 nights. Ay, 3 nights pala. 4 days, 3 nights. Ay, nakakapayat ang salamin nila. Guys. Ayan. Ah, di ba? Green. Ay, hindi. Orangey. Orangey. Tara! Buwan, yung maleta. Ito ang ano namin. For tomorrow. Turog di ading ko na eh. Ano ba nagdakkel nga TV na dyan. Mabutang baka ni Chakir mo. Bagsulan na. Huwa ako na. Diyan eh. Da TV na. O, danagan mita na eh. Duwa kami kini ading ko. Kini ko na na eh. O. Tapos manubayadan tan nga eh. Tantaman naman manubayadan ta. Ay, mati.
Bilikin kinan tayo ngayon na bayad na gaya.
Awan, priya yay. Kita kuman. Ini awang pa'y bayadan ta. Koreka. Go back ko na naman. Alibik. Alibik. Ay, wala pa. Na-scan da ata kastam nita card mo so makita. Pero no 20 phone ko. Dati account po yun. Hello! Ilar de family ko na naman dyan nga ito na ni. Ay, natin na. Ayun. Ate te. Kwarto mi nagwarangay. Ang ganda, promise. Ganito kay papagawa kong ano, kwarto lang. Minaximize yung space. Kasi pag non-menu, oh. Ba?
The whole week. Gusto ko mati-hospital.
Napukaw ka.
Video ka to. Video. Ano kaya ito mo? Ay, sa'yo na rin yung sumang ko.
Sorrento pizza is free. Kakain kami midnight na to. Huh? Orange. Ato. Yay! Thank you so much. No, thank you. Gulat ba ako? Ang dami niyang pagkain. Kain ng pizza.